everybody, CianTheKidGaming here, and today we're back with a video. And today's video we're playing some Just Cause 3, which is an awesome explosive game. Actually, yeah, I don't mind the steal here. I'm just gonna dispose of the evidence. Let's just get rid of the deal. Bye. No, wait. Oh god. Oh god, no. Probably shouldn't go anyway.
Ta-da!
Okay. Can we do that again? So anyway, yeah, today we're playing Just Cause 3, a very explosion game. And yeah, I got a gear mod for my explosives on the back. I'm sorry. Let's give him a robo eye. Ready for the robo eye. Oh god, that's creepy. It's robo deal. Okay, we're gonna leave the poor deal alone here, not really, because cool guys don't live in explosions. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, yeah, enough of the boring, trying to be funny stuff. Let's get into the gameplay. So, yeah, as I told you, this game is a really fun game, and it's an explosive game. It's explosions all around. And, I'm playing on Xbox One, by the way. Also, I hope you like the quality. I'm going to try record all my videos in 720. It's just I always forget to, so. And with the Elgato, if I close the program on my laptop, then it changes the settings on Elgato, and I don't know how to fix it. Probably search up a tutorial or something. Anyway, yeah. I don't know what we're going to do in today's episode. I'm never prepared. Look at that big place over there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Look at the big satellite. I'm actually going to try to take that over. I don't like your cow. That's what I'm going to call it my own. So, another cool feature about this game is you probably played Just Cause 3. No, Just Cause 2, I mean. And that game has a, drop. Like a black market dealer that drops in new weapon for you. So, that is pretty cool. I think I played Just Cause 3 on the channel. Yeah, I played Just Cause. Oh, let me think actually. Okay, it's confusing. Did I play Just Cause 3 or did I not? I think I did. Anyway. Yeah, I played it. Anyway, I have lots of cars here because I've been a lot. Oh, maybe I don't. Yeah, I have this one I want to spawn in. And maybe a special weapon. Have I got a special weapon? I want this. And dual wield, I like these. And one-handed, I like that. So, and then we just throw and let the magic happen. Ready? That's our drop. Oh, wow! There it is. Okay, let's grab our weapons. Yay, party time. Okay, change that with that. Change that. And then I want to pick up the big. How do I pick up the? How do I pick up the gun? The other one. Okay, I guess I have to stay with these ones. No. Oh god, this game is confusing. Oh god. Okay. How do I pick this? How do I pick it up? How do I? Okay, let's get this. Put it over here. I'll throw you up at that rock if you don't behave. Okay, I guess I can't get that going then. That's stupid. Okay, let's just put these away because we're not going to use them yet. But this is like a Lamborghini in Just Cause 3. So the place is just there. So I doubt we're going to be able to get in here through the element of surprise. So yeah, we can't be sneaky about this. And there's also a wingsuit in this, I forgot to say. That was a good chance to get out. I could have got out earlier and died, but no, I am clever. Maybe I'm not that clever. I just launched myself into the ocean. That is not clever. This place doesn't look too hard to take over. So, the big satellite, I want to take out. The big one. What are you doing, Flip? Stop showing off. What are you doing? No. I hate Rico so much. He's such a dumbass. I said go up. He said go down. I said go up. He says go down. Can never win. Never win. Okay, let's just get up somewhere. Okay, now let's get up here. You see, we go. This is what normal people... Oh, maybe they don't. Wait, why would normal people... Yeah, why would normal people grapple a hook around the building? Yeah, maybe not, Rico. Maybe you're the only one. Okay, throw at this. Did this explode? Okay, probably bad idea. I made someone angry. Boop. Boop. Are we supposed to destroy these? I think we are. Okay. Radar fire. Okay, let's get up here. And place one here. And place one here. And place one here. And place one here. Just for good luck. And explode. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I forgot I had the rocket mod thing. No, not mod. I had the gear mod. Yeah. I thought I was going to collapse. Oh, guess I do get the gun. Okay, you ready? Ready for an airstrike? Oh god, I probably gave it away. Get ready. I all die. You're all gonna die. Yay, I have big guns now. Yeah, big guns of steel. We actually destroy this full thing. Okay, why is this not breaking? Oh, the connection's at the top. Me finally for what happened to that big thing? Okay, who's shooting me? Bold. No. Oh. Oh dear God, I almost died. Okay. I'm gonna bomb this place. There. I want one there. And I also want one there on that thing. So an airstrike should come in soon. Another one there.
قنبلة صوتية! برمي قنبلة يدوية! اقتحام! 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 برمي رمانة! برمي رمانة! 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 برمي دخان! برمي دخان! برمي سيفور! أنا مصيب! احتاج تغطية نار! أنا مصيب! جندي ثقافي مسخوط! عندنا واحد مصيب!
Guess we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Wingsuit mode. And we need to destroy. Okay, let's grab this helicopter. I think it's gonna be blown up, but who cares? Okay, explode this joint. Place it up, and then jump. I don't care if I see the explosion or not. Blew it, yes. We blew the joint. Okay. Go to here, and parachute. I am a beast. Nobody will survive my reign of terror. That's how you say it. doing good, people. Oh, there's a fuel tank right there. Okay, shoot it. Oh, that guy just got wrecked. I don't think much people are gonna get me, because I am the oblivious master of sneakiness. Well, not sneakiness, but you know what I mean. Okay, these ships seem to be gunning me down, so bang bang, they shot me down. Bang bang, I need to kill them. Get up! What are you doing, you Dumbo? I walk in fire. That's how awesome I am. In my rain of terror.